Hey guys, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. Today I just want to introduce you to the 3D scanner system with the tree-shape scanning system. I used other scanner machine before, such as my Medic 507, Medic 700s. This one I like it a lot, and I'm going to show you the quality. You might want to see it. Let me just show you the quality. First of all, I just want to show you the after we scan the patient jaw in just a few minutes. This is what you get. You can actually see your prep and see how good your prep is. If you have a space, you can actually reduce a little bit more on the lingual side. I just want to show you how we can just evaluate individually. This is the mandibular arch, and really quick, the system can scan this, and that's how you get very nice. And this is the upper, this is the art, total art here. Let's just see what we're going to see, some compare side by side. Here's a side by side picture. I want to zoom it out so you can see a little bit better. So you can zoom out, and then you can evaluate your prep. This is how you can be accurate. I use the laser, that's why you can see a lot of tissue like that. But this scan is only take like less than 2-3 minutes for this scan. The mandible is really quick since we just do the opposing, so it doesn't take long. And I just want you to take a look at the quality when we print out from the lab. The model is so accurate, so imagine. So this is a case where I actually changed the material of the patient. Instead of the zirconium crown, I decided to do a PFM. The lab print me again another model, and they gave me a different crown. But the good things is, the quality of the duplication is completely exactly the same. It's no different. So check out the zirconium crown that they printed out for me. You can see that it's really high quality. Okay, and people concerned about whether digital scanning is the way to go, I say yes, you should go for it, because that's the way how dentistry is gonna go. And so I just want to say thank you for having me an opportunity to introduce you to the 3D scan system. I will review other system. If you are a vendor and want to have me review your system, let me know. Contact me. I'm Dr. Lockwin.